Hello viewers, welcome back to my YouTube channel Beginner's Craft. How are you all? Hope you all fine and good and doing well. So viewers, I am back with another latest and beautiful collection of Tweety birthday cake designs. That is Tweety birthday cake for little babies who interested in Tweety bird character. So guys, hope you like this collection. All to all design is very beautiful. This character is very amazing. Hope you like this video and hope you like this cartoon. So enjoy my video with updating design with stylish collection. And this collection is very stunning because Tweety bird is very important for kids. If you are go to my channel and watching my videos for very first time, do subscribe my channel and press the bell icon and you will receive all the updates. So viewers, don't go, stay with me and watch this video till the end. I hope you like this video and love this collection. This collection is very amazing and beautiful. Tweety bird cake ideas. So viewers, don't go, stay with me, watch this video till the end and like my channel, share my channel and press the bell icon. Take care and bye bye.